So welcome back to the channel, guys. It is Mokwal Agri. So guys, if you're looking to tap into January market, let's say you want to start selling your broiler chicken in January month end, because that's when they're gonna start to have money next year, and you don't know actually when to place or you want to place in your chicks. This is the right time to do it. So this week, from Monday, today is the 17th or the 18th, yeah, from the 18th, which is Monday today of 2023, until the 22 of this month of December 2023, that's when you start placing in your chicks. So I'm gonna be placing my chicks in this coming Friday for month end January market. I'm gonna be taking this journey with you. I'm gonna be showing you all the process. So today my two cousins came over to help me out to clean my houses. So this is the first house, it looks clean, and there's the equipment that we were actually cleaning too. So my house, my equipment, everything is sharp, everything is okay, everything is ready to start 2024. So we are now going to 2024. You know, 2023 didn't end so well for us, but yeah, man, we're coming back strong. 2024, I'm gonna be back in the market. I'm gonna be back selling again. I'm gonna be back making money. So let me just show you how my house looks. So this is how clean. This is how clean my chicken house are. So this is the first house, and this is all the equipment that I have. Thanks to Poultry. All this equipment were actually manufactured by Poultry. Some I bought them, some I got them as a gift from Poultry. And I just want to appreciate Poultry for actually showing love to Mokwal Agri. I really appreciate them. You know, Poultry is one company that show me love, and then they actually support whatever I'm doing. So next year I'm thinking of actually hosting a train, but I don't know where. People can suggest where we can host the train. I'm hoping to actually host the train. I'm hoping that Poultry will be on board to actually sponsor us when hosting the training. So next year I'm planning to host one train. I don't know, maybe I should do it on my birthday, or when I should do it when I celebrate 3 years of my business. We will see how we're gonna be doing it. So, but for now, we are still here at the houses. We are still checking out, still cleaning, you know, doing all the things. We're getting ready for 2024. We're coming in force. Yeah, no. So this is how the other house looks like. You remember last week when I showed you this house, it was mess in here, but you know me, when it comes to cleaning, I don't miss of it. So make sure that you disinfect, to clean your house, you leave them to rest, and then when it's ready to go in to the market, and when you're ready to go into the production, your houses must always be clean. Look at my house, look at my house. You know, it's Mokwal Agri. This is how we do it. Dango.